comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar.
Hey everyone, welcome to a new Cheapskate Coins video. So this is actually going to end up being episode 3 of Cheapskate's Coins of the World, and it's going to be a bit of another unboxing. Although there's not actually going to be any coins in this video, but this is something that we got that's going to kind of go with those coins as we do the videos. As I get them out of the envelope with my wife's help. So we got, you remember me saying if you saw the shout out video, we were planning on getting the 100 pack of random bills. Well, there it is. And we've also got a couple of interesting things to show you that you would rarely ever see. And that's these. I'm in the light here. These are from the 1800s, and what these are is basically how America has the silver certificate dollars. Well, these are the Japanese version of 1800s silver certificate dollars. Well, whatever they called their stuff back then. So when we saw that these were available, we thought that was pretty freaking awesome. And in future videos we'll show much better quality shots of these. So alright, there's the pile. We're going to go through it and sort it. And just like with a coin box video or a bulk world coin video in the case of this series, once we kind of have it figured out what all countries we got and all that and sorted out, then we'll come back with a recap. Alright everyone, here's the wrap. So we ended up getting foreign banknotes from 45 different countries out of that random 100 pack. I'll do a little run over here so you can kind of try and read some of the names. I couldn't fit them all on the table. You can see here's a big stack of them right here. These are all separate countries. It definitely took some time to go through them and translate some of them, figure out how to date some of them. Because not every country puts dates on their currency. Some of them just have a date when the design was created and the years that that design ran through, so that's pretty much all you have to go off of. So the reason they're in these, for one thing, is just for easy sorting because we don't have the notebook pages yet. The other reason is because as we do these countries on the videos with the coins, when we do the individual countries, we'll be showing you guys these when we do those countries. Then we also got over here some, these are all from Iraq, and then these are all from Egypt. So I'll go ahead and open up one of them here. Let's see. What do we got here? Here's Trinidad and Tobago. That way you can at least see one, one thing. So here's an example. We get the little slip out. Here's an example of a bill from Trinidad and Tobago. Upside down. And that was a 2008 Trinidad and Tobago $1 bill. So as I said, as we do the individual countries for the World Coin Series, as we're actually showcasing the coins from individual countries, of course Philippines being the first, and that's right here, we'll be showing off some of the bills from their countries as well. So alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, or give it a thumbs up, throw a subscribe to us. We're working towards our 500 subscriber giveaway. As I post this video, we're at 199 likes, so at 200, I'll be doing the video unveiling what the third prize is going to be. And then, of course, at 300 likes, I'll be unveiling the fourth prize. At 400 likes, I'll be unveiling the fifth prize. Or subscribe, sorry. I have Facebook in my head right now. Let me start over. At 200 subscribers, I'll be showing the third prize. 300 subscribers, the fourth prize. 400 subscribers, the fifth and final prize, and then at 500 we'll be doing the drawing and picking 5 winners. And remember, if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, leave them in the comments section. Please remember to share out our videos. Go back and watch some of our older stuff. Again, I'm sorry I haven't been getting a lot of content up lately. I'm going to try and work on that. Life has been kind of crazy right now, going through a lot of stuff at home. So bear with me, be patient, more is coming. So alright, until the next video, I hope everybody has a great weekend and a great week. And this is Cheapskate Coins, signing out.